Hi guys, welcome back Legends of the Internet. In this featured segment, we will discuss adding and subtracting fractions without confusion. Let's begin the adventure. We have these two fractions, 9 over 5 and 8 over 9. And we want to add them. Multiply the first top times the second bottom. So we have 9 times 9, which is equal to 81. Multiply the first bottom times the second top. So we have 5 times 8, which is equal to 40. Now just add those two numbers. So we have 81 plus 40, which is equal to 121. Multiply the two denominators, so we have 5 times 9, which is equal to 45. And that is all. Don't forget to like and subscribe to join the fun.